My name is Daphnée Charles. I am from Haiti and I currently live in Haiti. I had the opportunity to benefit from one of the HELP scholarships back in 2007 to 2012. I studied agroeconomics at University Quisqueya, and I also had the opportunity to go to a fellowship program at Dartmouth College in 2010 when the big earthquake destroyed my home university. I keep a vivid memory of the call that I received from HELP for the interview. I couldn't believe it. I didn't even know that such thing existed in Haiti. An organization calling you for an interview for a scholarship with no backup, with no recommendation letter, with no executive calling to push your candidacy. I couldn't believe it. I was this little kid from a very modest family in Port-au-Prince who often had to choose between using my pocket money to buy books for a class or to buy myself lunch. And having this great opportunity coming to me, it just was unbelievable. But I was awarded a scholarship at HELP, and I also keep good memories of my time as a student, using the computer lab, participating in different meetings, meeting people, growing my network. Also, my advisors that were always there for me when I had a question or a concern. And now I have the privilege to work as an employee for HELP. And it's not only satisfying to do such a work that you know it's really advancing Haiti, but it's a great pleasure to work with students, young people that are working in the shoes that I was working back 10 years ago. At HELP, it's not just about offering scholarship for somebody to complete higher education. It's about creating a pool of professional leaders that will contribute to a more just society in Haiti. And that is what Haiti needs. I can't say it enough. There are so many projects in Haiti, and sometimes they are interested in doing the things that are quick to show, the things that are quick to see. But we have seen the results for the past 100 years. It's not giving the results that everybody wants. It's not giving the result that the Haitian people are looking for. But a program like HELP not only help a person like me to become professional, to be able to earn for my family, to be able to earn a salary that can help me take care of myself and my family, but it's also a program that is really creating the leaders that the country needs. And at my work at HELP, I have the opportunity to do that every day. When I work with the students, not only I try to help them with their career so that they can become good professionals, but I'm also obliged to be a role model for them and to be also a guide where I can tell them to come and follow me so that we can change one community together, one after another. HELP Scholarship, it's not just about offering opportunity to somebody to access higher education. It's really giving a soul the secret to success. That's why they offer a comprehensive program that includes the university tuition, but also dormitories so that everybody can access the scholarship or the opportunity if you're not living in Port-au-Prince. They also give monthly stipend to students. In addition to the courses at the university, the HELP students also follow classes such as IT, English, and leadership. Leadership has been a key component in my education. Because of that, I feel called to participate in the change. I feel called to participate in initiatives such as the Haiti Tech Summit that I've been participated since 2017 that brings a lot of key players in the tech sector in Haiti to talk about change and how to use technology to change things in Haiti. And I think when people think about changing Haiti, this is where to start. You cannot expect to change a country without investing massively in the education of its people. As somebody who has benefited from the HELP scholarship and who has seen firsthand how a program like HELP can change completely somebody's life forever, and if nobody told you or didn't tell you that bluntly, this is exactly what Haiti needs. And I'm telling you this as somebody who really loves his country and who really wants to see his country thrive. But we also need friends who understand that the big investment needs to go in higher education. If you do that, we promise you that we will do the rest. Thank you very much.